We got two guys in the skeletal structure in the middle.
Yep, I've got the key there, key's here.
Oh, good. Okay.
Let's do it. Do it! On top! On top! Got the bunker!
Anything?
Nothing.
It's just these guys in the skeletal structure that I've seen so far.
Right, we need a team to defend this and hold their key.
Yeah.
We also need a team to attack bunker 2. On time! Well, we've got to get over. German's pushing in right!
In skeletal. Shit, I heard a shot. Heard a shot that direction.
You stay here with Alex, watch the flank system.
Yep. In the building in front of us.
Reserve your fire until we're pushed in. Alex.
Wooden structure in front of us.
Still inside. Ready whenever you want. Their key's still inside. No defending that key. Don't.
Shit, head down. I'm coming out.
Caporale! Caporale!
Ah, hit! Dead man walking! You sneaky buggers, you two. I saw your little helmet trick.